Hey guys, what's up? Okay, listen, I'm so excited. Winner is finally back. I love Winner. Like, okay, they've been through so much shit. I was so sad when the whole Namtaehyun news broke out and everything, and now they're finally back, and like, I'm glad Namtaehyun is doing what he wants to do and like more his style music. I don't know the whole story. There's so many things that are like iffy about the situation, so I'm not gonna comment on that. Let's just enjoy that Winner is back and they're slaying. So they released 2 music videos, and I think it's called Fate Number 4 because 4th of April, whatever, 4 p.m. So let's just get this started. 3, 2, 1, go. I'm reacting to Fool first. Ooh, it looks so like royal. They look like angels with this whole like white aesthetic. I saw the teasers. Minho's voice. Oh my god, he looks so good. I want to cry. Junu always looks great. He looks like an angel. Oh my god, Sun Yoon, slay me. I love his blonde hair. Ooh. I'm shook. Oh my god. I don't even have a bias in Winner. Like, they all ruin me. Look at Suga. He looks so good. Did you see that look? Oh my god, he looks like a natural angel. That was in the teaser, right? He looks like a natural angel. Oh, I love this song already. It's just, it hits me right here, like. He looks so good. You know, it's such an attractive man. And his voice. I wonder what it symbolizes, like the knives and everything. Oh my god, Sumin looks so good. They always serve such looks. Like, their stylist deserves an award. Oh shit. Shit's going down. I'm so happy. Winner. Back at it. Slaying. And he wrote the lyrics. Yoon, right? That's Yoon. I love Winner so much. Like, so glad they're back. I so hope YG promotes them well and they get the fame they deserve, because they're all so talented. Like, I can't even pick a freaking bias because I love them all so much. Like, that was amazing. They all looked so good, and the song, oh, it's so good. I'm so glad they're back. Yay! Anyway, that was our reaction. Hope you enjoyed. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me what you thought about their comeback and this music video and the song and everything. And Winter's back. Yeah! My inner circle heart is just... Anyway, bye!